Hello. What's how much time you think this? How much time is that?
Yeah, much time.
Oh my God! Yeah.
Sir. No, man.
God have mercy upon us. Something all right?
So him.
Amen. Action. Okay. Patsy, you tell the baby self to kick the girl. Stepping at it.
Oh, what are you?
Stepping at it.
Something all right there?
Action.
Are you serious right now, Ray? Suarez was given to me. No.
Give it. Action. Action.
You never think that would have upset the balance?
You remember. Action.
By all means, Ray. But not at the expense. Come again.
Okay. Action. Forget up and
Action.
Really? So what am I to which? What am I win?
Action.
You hear what you say? I hear that. That mean Patsy not have no saying that is for please you.
No. Nope.
Only now got always see eye to eye. But it can't make you feel like a stepmother.
Oh shit.
action.
Yeah, you know.
Oh my God. Yeah. Action.
Society have a way of stereotype the kids them. Because they live in a inner city. Ready? Ready? Okay. Action.
Alright.
Action.
Yeah, you know. Them saying come out that aspect.
Action.
Well, it wasn't really a fight. You don't see like a thump, yeah? Like a thump, yeah?
Should I realize I know?
Action.
Me don't know what happened.
Oh no.
Action.
I doubt it. But it look like Mr. Mullins are gonna keep me away from the assignment there.
God have mercy upon us.
We have stereotype the kids them because them come from the inner city. And me no want that for Destiny. So she have to learn how to reason out things and me not compromise that. I'm sorry.
So you have a line, you have it.
Say look for your line.
Something alright.
Action.
Yeah, you know. You come out of the hospital in the week, sorry.
Action.
Well, it wasn't really a fight. She thump. No, she punch. A punch my face.
Then a thumb punch, the same
I
thing.
same thing. It doesn't matter. Come.
Something alright there.
Action.
Well, the concerns you raised about your son. What you doing?
Hey, what happened?
Fatality.